Greetings. I'm John Alston with the New Haven Fire Department. I'm here for Fire Engineering's Training Minutes. We're talking about extrication this time, and we're focusing on departments that have limited personnel and limited equipment attempting extrications in a safe manner. Many times, the easiest thing sometimes is just to use a door opening device and open the door and get to your victims. Worst case scenario, you've got a door that's been compromised and you need to do the complete door removal. Making sure you stabilize the victim and the car by putting your chocks in. Removing any hazards like glass, sharp metal, or components of the car that may be catching on your victim. Ensuring the glass has been removed, we begin the process of removing the door. Again, this vertical technique, ensuring that the door is moving away from your victim and exposing the hinges, all with one tool. As you'll notice, we're using a hydraulic tool this time. Many times, the feeling that you'll get is that the tool is not doing the work. Watch the tool work. Continue the motion as long as you're not tearing the metal too bad. It exposes the hinges and we're able to move into a better position. We've created a purchase point. Keep going to expose as much of the door as possible. Let the tool do its work. Now we work on the bottom hinge. By working onto the bottom hinge in this manner, from top to bottom, we're moving the door away from our victim, but we're using the weight of the door to expose the other side of the door. Always reminding our firefighters not to let the tool rest against your body. With the two hinges in the front being popped, the weight of the door is going to drive it to the ground. But to ensure safety, we'll have a firefighter, if available, just wrap some webbing around the door. What that will do is ensure with a little tension that that door is going to move in the direction that we want it to as the firefighter places the spreaders in to remove the rest of the door. If the metal tears, reposition, and you'll pop that nadir pin. Now with the door removed, many times with cars like this, we will find that there are portions of the car, the steering wheel, the brake pedal, gas pedal, that will bind our victim inside there. What we want to do is increase the amount of space to remove our victim. We used one tool to remove the door, but now taking the O-cutter and making a relief cut here, we're going to attempt to roll the dash with just the spreader and not a ram. If the tool rolls in towards your victim, you just flip it around. Come out and flip it upside down. And as we get our bite, the tool will work its way out. All the way through. Now we've made our relief cut, we'll take our spreader with our chock in place, making sure that the tips of the spreader are directly over the chock, and we will work them to the base of the steering column, driving the steering column into the dash. This will increase our lift space 6 to 8 inches just by forcing the tool up without having to cut the glass and giving us better access to our victim. Even once the spread is complete, when we remove the tool, watch when the steering wheel comes back down, it's not that much that will encumber our victim. With the tool removed, we've got greater access to our victim. I want to thank you for joining us here in the New Haven Fire Department, giving us an opportunity to show you some extrication techniques with limited personnel and limited equipment. This is John Alston for Fire Engineering's Training Minutes.